I think it's important that this course exists because the students of our generation are the scientists of the future. And in order to design experiments in the future that do not have animals, you have to be aware of all the animal-free methods that are available right now and how we can use them.
Our course is very interactive. We will have scientists, researchers, we will have also companies that they explain to us the journey through approval of drugs. We will talk about the validation of in vitro models.
For me, it was really surprising in this course that we got the opportunity to develop our own preclinical model to test a drug or a pathology without the use of animals, because the course only lasts 3 weeks, but in the end all the students worked in teams and developed their own model to study their own pathology of interest.
We would like that the students, they hear from scientists that are a bit further with working without animals, and scientists that are doing their best, but it is still difficult to work without animals.
What really stood out for me in this course was how fast the animal-free methods are developing. In the beginning of the course, I didn't even know what an organ on a chip was. And at the end of the course, I heard experts already talking about an organism on a chip. And therefore, I think it's so important to create awareness among all students and all researchers of the future.
This course is open to master students coming from different faculties with a biological sciences background.
This course fits in my future plans because I will probably continue my career in science, and therefore I will probably be working a lot in teams with other scientists. If I notice that they might be stuck in their routine of working with animals to test a certain drug or compound because they are so used to it, I would like to engage the conversation and see whether there are better models available to answer the research question.
Our course is online. To have the course online, it gives the possibility to invite speakers from all over the world. And this formula gives also the possibility to have breakout sessions where the student can, after a lecture, meet the speaker and ask further questions, also about important topics that perhaps are not part of the lecture.